what's up, guys? Welcome back. Foxbody Garage. We're back at it again. The way we left off last video, we did the rear drum brakes. My buddy John came over. Today is Monday. It's President's Day, so I had off. So we're back on it again today. And we're going to start doing the front brakes. We got new bearings, calipers. No, not calipers. We got bearings, rotors, and brake pads. We're going to try to leave the calipers because if I'm going to replace the calipers, I'm better off just putting a 5 lug, and we don't want to go through that. And I ain't got no money for all that. So, like I said, we're trying to get it done. Let me give you guys a quick overview, real quick, what our task is today. As you can see, these brakes are rotted to death, and we're going to take these apart today and see what's going on. As you can tell,
we're working on Mustangs again today?
Oh,
President's
boy.
Day?
There we go, guys.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mrs. Foxbody Garage herself. Hi, Dina. Say hello to everybody.
Family time.
Family time, yes. This weekend has been a 3-day run for us. We almost got it done. So, back to the video, guys. Sorry about the interruption. We got brand new brake pads right here for the front. And we got brand new rotors right here for the front. They are 10-inch, so they should fit the calipers that are on there. I did drive the car, so the calipers were working. Let's rip them apart, see what we need, and where we're going to go about it. Which I'm leaning towards hopefully just put pads and new rotors and new bearings and call it good enough for now. And also we're going to have to make the 2 lines that go from wheel cylinder to wheel cylinder where we left off a couple of videos ago. Excuse me, I can't even talk, with the rubber line and all that stuff. So let us get right on to it, and we'll be back. Of course, my man Mackie came up. He wants to spit shine his motor some more today, I guess. Right, Mac? We'll get it going. We'll make a build. We're gonna make a build sheet for that thing and see exactly what we need to get it going. And that's today's episode, guys. Monday. Stay tuned for an update. Let me rip that stuff apart, and we'll get back to you. Alright, guys, what's up? We're back. I got it tore apart. Let me give you guys a look, see what we got. Alright, here we go. I cleaned up the spindle. I wire brushed, all around. Actually looks pretty good for a 40-year-old car. Doesn't look horrible. The caliper could use some paint. It looks like it's not leaking. The seals are good. I ain't really got no complaints there. The hose looks good. So I'm just gonna throw on the new rotor. I put new bearings. I packed the bearings, and they gave us new hardware and a new cotter pin. These 2 pins will clean up. They weren't seized or locked. They came out like really nice, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I think we're going to be okay. We'll slap it together, and we'll go from there. And when the time comes, if we got to do a brake upgrade, we'll do it. But for now, I got no problem with it. Everything looks good. There's nothing broken. It came apart real nice. Pretty wild. It came apart real nice for a car that's, 40, 50, I don't know, 88. You guys do the math. I'm not the math genius, as you can tell. But we're plucking along here. We're getting it done. I want to make a shout out to Neo Mustang and Brutal. They did a live feed yesterday. I watched the whole hour and 47 minutes of it, chimed in here and there. They shout me out, I guess. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks. Thumbs up. And keep up the good work. Guys, I'm just a small little channel trying to make something happen. It ain't nothing big. If you could get something out of it, great. If you can't, sorry. But I'm doing my best. Alright, so with that said, guys, don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, all that jazz. and leave comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think, how we could get better, what you'd like to see, you know. So right now, let me just finish up this brakes, and I'll get back to you with an update on that, and we'll be back. See you in a few. All right, fellas, guess what? One side is done. Okay. Like I said, it didn't look that bad. I mean, it looks bad. It's rusty, but the seals are not dried and cracked on the piston of the caliper. The hoses, they don't have no leaks in it right now. Hey, if they leak, we'll change it. Right now, we got it going. Nice. It's got a little drag to it. Not too loose, not too tight. So let's move over to the other side, and we'll see what we got. Guys, we got to remember, these cars are 50, 40 years old, whatever it is. And while I was putting the caliper on, okay, they sent me the wrong parts. But if you look at these pads, the old ones, they got these lips on it. You see the lip here? And the lip on this side. So if you don't put the caliper, when you put the caliper on, you got to put the bottom first, and then this way. I was doing it backwards. I went this way, and I couldn't get it and kept hitting. I said, what the hell's going on? They sent me wrong parts, and I finally figured out that you got to put the bottom first and then that. Hey, I haven't did a brake job on a Mustang in over 30, 40 years, guys. If you want to really know the truth, I got a 1993 Ford Mustang with a 408 YSI supercharger. Car makes good power. I would say in the 750, 800 range, and it has stock brakes, and I've never changed the brakes, and I own the car from brand new. I bought the car brand new out of the dealer, and I still got it, and it's still got the original brakes on it. I never did the brakes on it.
How much mileage you got on that car?
It's got about, I don't know, 20,000 street driven miles and probably about 150 passes in the quarter. So anyway, with that said, guys, that's what we're up to right now. Let's flip it around. That's what I'm up to right now. Let me tackle the other side. I'll give you guys a look, put the wheels on, and then all I got to do is the two brake lines in the back that go on top of the pumpkin that go from one wheel cylinder to the other wheel cylinder. And we'll go from there. All right, guys? Sorry about the funny faces, but I got chewing tobacco. Not proud of it, but that's what it is. Okay, guys. Peace. We'll be back. All right, guys. Welcome back. Final update for today. Today is Monday, President's Day. Like I stated previous, it's been a long weekend, guys. Remember, these cars, I'm going to say it, I'll say it again, I keep repeating it. These cars are old. And if you're into them, you're probably in your mid-50s, late 40s like myself. And everything you touch, it's either stripped, broken, rusted, frozen. I mean, the list goes on and on. So it is what it is, but surprisingly, the brakes are done in the front and in the back, and here's a look at it. Okay, we got new pads, new rotors, new wheel bearings. We did not replace the calipers. Go to the other side. And we got new rotors, new pads, new wheel bearings, just like the other side. This is the old stuff that came off it. We got a surprise visit from Grandpa today. Grandpa showed up. Mackie's there, spit shining his motor for the last 4 hours. And here's the old stuff that came off. And I think the crazy thing is, it worked. They didn't really make noise, but look at them. You know. And the bearings weren't horrible. So these are not, I mean, I guess you could cut them and reuse them if you really had to. They didn't really make noise. They didn't really leak. But I gotta put my kids and wife in this car, so fresh brakes all around was a must. So with that said, guys, we're gonna cut it short here, and I'd like to thank everybody who supports the channel and subscribe to the channel. And for all you new guys who come across the channel, I'm a small channel. I try to entertain. I try to give some, tips and tricks that I learned going forward. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm 40-something years old, 49 years old. My first car was in 1990. I bought my first car, and then I bought a brand new one in 93. So I've been doing this a long time. Like the drum brakes, I haven't did them like I stated. I had brand new Mustang with the original brakes on the car. I'm the original owner of the car. I'm sure you guys see it in the beginning of every video. That's my baby. She makes good power, and that's the name of the game. So Foxbody, garage, peace, thumbs up, subscribe. Until the next time, guys, peace.